are. Did you do it?
Yes, that was the noise. I went beep.
Oh my god, I barely heard it.
Oh, it must have been too high. It must have cut off.
I guess so.
Well, I know that it registered on my end because the audio peaked into the red.
Oh yeah, all right.
So hopefully you don't go deaf listening to that later in editing.
I'll message you and be like, my ears are bleeding.
Yep, sorry. I can't wear these headphones anymore. They're stained.
They're no longer orange, they're red.
Ew. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I'm not recording Google searching Nidoking.
I know.
Because holy crap, that's a disturbing image. That's not, no, that's nasty. Excuse me.
Oh my god, now I'm curious.
Suffer with me.
I'm doing it. Oh god! Ah! What is happening?
I don't know. Why is that there?
That's so
Who
gross.
drew that?
That's on Newgrounds. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Now you know why I was gagging.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Exactly.
I don't... Wow.
Yep. Thanks for suffering with me.
You're welcome. Now I'm gonna have to put that as inspiration for my drug. No, I'm kidding. Gross.
Well, that's not very on brand for Sylveon.
I'm changing the brand today.
Yeah, let's make Sylveon a little more risque.
Oh, gross. Gross, 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 gross.
Yeah, we need bleach
Gross.
for your mind.
I don't think that will get rid of that. Need more brainstorming space.
Yeah, yeah. I thought I could have the references on the same screen, but no, it's just intimidating me too much.
Got it.
It's just like, yeah, look at this really crazy design that you have to make even more crazy. Yes.
Good luck.
Hell yes, queen. Yes. Or
Yes.
king. Yes, king.
Yes, king. Yes, little king. Yes.
What the hell am I doing? I swear I'm just drawing Urshifu's head and I'm not making any changes to it at the moment.
You're like, here you go. That's good.
Yeah, let's just color him pink. Yep, there we go. That's a fusion.
Done.
Like, look how inspired this design was. Oh my god.
Oh, exquisite. The best Pokefusion I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh, it's like it could be in game.
Wow. Actually, it is. That's the surprise. I have Nintendo on the phone with my uncle. He'll get us in.
They hired me.
But that's what I understand.
Oh, it's a typical kind of thing. You say something as a guess, and then someone will be like, "Oh my gosh, you actually think that?" It's like, no, it was a guess. It's like, but you said it.
God, that's my life on YouTube. I'm like, let me drop this one random animal thing that I remember learning in school, and they're like, excuse me, no, that is all incorrect.
Yeah, like, fact check. I'm sorry that 10-year-old you had no idea what they were talking about. Let me set you straight, because you're, like, totally wrong.
You are totally misinformed.
Yes, you need some work, sweetie. You need a lot of work.
They'll reach the moon with how long the legs will be.
You'll have, like, the thirsty people on YouTube saying, "Step on me, queen, step on me."
Oh my god.
I said it a second ago, but I just want to say again, what the fuck am I doing?
You're making a buff boy.
I'm trying to make sense of horns. And it's not working.
How do you horn? How do you horn?
I'm trying to make him horny, but it's not working.
Trixks, you're gonna get me demonetized!
That's what censoring is for.
God, my new version is kind of looking like a weird businessman. And I...
Oh. Okay.
There's not a better way to describe this.
Wow. Okay, definitely up sophisticating it. Well.
I love animals. Oh my god, I saw your kitten is so big now.
I know, he's gotten so big. He's such a big boy. And he's such...
7 months.
He's such a little shit, though.
Yeah.
It's like, meow, meow, meow. It's like, you haven't grown out of that after all this time. You still
so
love
verbal.
to talk.
Me, 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 me.
Pretty much. It's like, you're home. Meow, 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 meow. You're going to bed. Meow, meow, meow. You're going into the other room. Meow, meow, meow. You're gone into the bathroom. You're having a shower. Meow, meow, meow. Let me in. Let me in. It's like, oh my god.
Why am I not in there with you? Meow, 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 meow.
Yes. Or in the toilet.
Oh,
He does that too. And
Oh
he'll
my
actually claw at the door, just like, let me in. Let me in. You're doing something that I want to know what it is. It's like, dude, you really don't.
Yeah, I want to be there.
Yeah, we don't watch you in the litter box. Can you not? You love me. It's like, I do, but you can be a bit of a shit.
Just a little bit.
A little
A
bit.
little shit.
Yes. A little bit of a shit. A little bit
Just a
of
little bit of shit.
You get a big shit when you bring in big cockroaches. The largest thing he's brought in is, ironically, a wetter. And I didn't know how terrified of wetters I could be until he brought them inside.
What's a wetter?
Basically, a cricket from hell.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like a massive, massive cricket from hell. And it makes hissing noises, and oh god, it was strong. I was like trying to pick it up with the paper towel, and it was like clinging to the ground. It
oh
was
my
like,
god.
fuck.
No.
And just like all the hairs on my body were standing on end, just like, I need to get this out of the house.
It's like, oh my god.
I'm freaking out. Yeah, you should Google it.
Like I would.
You should Google what it
Oh,
looks
God.
like.
Okay.
And see how big it is. Because they can get massive.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah. Thankfully,
Oh,
they
God.
haven't been that big when he's brought them inside because, yeah, he couldn't catch something that big. But,
Oh.
meh.
Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. No.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not visiting you anymore.
So have you paid? Excuse me. Have you played the new TLC?
No, I have not.
Neither.
Woo! We know nothing about the game.
Yeah, we have no idea about the Pokemon that we're abusing. Looks like he's holding like a really awkward bouquet of flowers.
Hello. I brought you flowers.
I'm flexing with bouquet.
Yes. I brought you flowers and these guns.
Yes. Which do you prefer? or you can have both covered in chocolate.
Oh, okay. Now we're getting into weird Pokemon territory now.
Oh, it's so hard to... Excuse the pun. It's... It's so difficult to, Out of the gutter! It's... It's so difficult to be a fan of Renamon from Digimon.
Oh,
When I was
no.
little, it was so hard to be a
Oh,
young
no.
girl who loved Renamon so much and wanted pictures of her on her desktop.
Yeah.
Yeah. I swear I'm giving, like, this guy plated underwear.
I am excited to see this plated underwear.
It's just as I'm drawing this part to figure out the anatomy, it's just like, I'm giving him, like, a plated crotch.
Yes.
I'm going to make very uncertain noises while I struggle to figure this out.
You can do.
I can do.
You can do.
I can do. I struggle a little while I figure out this buff boy.
Okay.
And I feel very uncomfortable drawing his crotch while I say that. I just like drawing the sweep of his crotch and saying big buff boy, and it's just
Big buff boy.
a bit inappropriate. Actually, it's very inappropriate. It's very.
Just, it's fine. No, don't worry. I don't say nothing. It's fine. Is that convincing? It's fine.
No, I was just gonna say something, but I stopped myself. Because I'm doing something to the sketch, and I'm just like, no, don't say it. Don't say it.
Don't
No,
verbalize.
fuck it. You can edit it out. Spread them.
I was drinking water.
I'm just like spreading his thighs apart to make it look like a stronger stance. And it's just spread him.
Oh no.
I swear this recording is a lot dirtier than the first.
Yeah, it is. It all got kicked off by that Nidoking.
Oh. Nightmare.
Nightmare fuel, yes. Now the tickle's back with me.
Hey, we swapped.
Ugh.
Don't sound like you're dying.
I'm out of water.
It's just like, ugh.
Ugh. Dying.
Slowly.
Always and forever. Alright, Caitlin, that was a little too depressing. Get back, please, okay?
Yeah. It's like, let's cheer it up a little. It's just like he's trying to be intimidating, but he's still pink.
I'm big and intimidating. Don't mind my colors.
Yeah.
I'm really a tough dude.
Yeah.
You better watch your back, bro. Or pink lightning's gonna get you.
Oh, God. Pig lightning. Oh, God. Oh. But he's not fast, so the lightning doesn't really work.
Fine, pink thunder. I come after the lightning.
Yep, there you go. much further off. Much slower
Yeah.
after.
Yes, there we go. That works.
It's like I'm giving him a thong.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Too sexy, bring it back.
I mean, add more. Because it's if I bring it back, then it's gonna be like a mankini.
Never mind, add more.
Yep. Okay, we'll just put a lot of color first, and then we'll figure it out.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our funny random blooper reel. I know this was a little extra video for the week for you guys. I want to thank Trixks for helping me get this edited together. Please go give her a sub. I had such a great time doing the collab with her, and she was awesome and edited this blooper reel for us. So please go drop her a sub and tell her I said hi. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if you aren't already, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and go check out Trixks as well. And check out our original video, which is linked here in the card. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.